and welcome back to the channel. Today I am here with an science experiment of standard 10th. We are going to see that how light refracts through a glass slab. Here we have is a glass slab, a scale, a pencil and a laser torch. Using a laser torch, I am going to incident a ray of light on one surface of the glass slab, that is AB. We can see here that this point there is incident ray, whereas on the other side of the glass slab, this side, we can see a refracted ray. We'll just mark it with the pencil. On surface AB, there is incident ray. On surface CD, there is refracted ray. Taking away the glass slab, I will observe the path of the rays using a scale. This point was incident ray on the surface AB. This point was refracted ray on the surface CD. Thus now surface AB has incident ray, surface CD has refracted ray. Let us check what would have happened if there was no such phenomena of refraction. We can see that in absence of refraction, the light ray that is incident on surface AB would have travelled straight through the glass slab. But due to bending of light on surface AB, also bending of light on surface CD, the light ray has deflection in its path like this. Due to this deflection of light from both the surfaces AB and CD, the light ray is bent and it travels through a different path. This is refraction through glass slab.
To enroll in the classroom program of bunique Academy, you can contact to the details given on the screen and in the description box. Hoping that this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, press the like button. Also do share it with your friends. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for being updated with more videos. Thank you.